How to download and install Steam on Mac. So here is a step-by-step guide on how to do so. So let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser, then in search address bar type down Steam. Now there all you have to do is tap on the three dot at the top right corner of your screen. Then you will get to see a drop-down menu appear. Now scroll down and tap on the cast, save and share button available there. And there you can see open the welcome to Steam option available there and simply tap on it. So now as you can see, Steam has been downloaded to your device. If you want to get the full access of Steam app, then you can also keep it on the desktop. So how to do that is, let's just close this one for now. Then tap on the command and space bar and open the Spotlight. Inside Spotlight, all you have to do is type down Chrome apps and hit enter. Now there you can see Steam option available. Drag and drop it to the desktop. And once you do so, you can double tap it and open it to your device easily. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.